What's up, guys? We're back with another unboxing opening video. And if y'all couldn't pay attention to my last haul, we're doing the Deadpool unboxing of this figurine in these bag clips. Yes, since everybody took away the Deadpool buckets and stuff and the Wolverines, I decided to get the yeah, it was on sale. Don't look at look at the sticker, it was on sale. I decided to get the figurine and the two back clips. So we're gonna open them and see which ones I got. Now for this one, I'm hoping to get either the secret agent one or the chef one, the exclusive one. I usually kind of have luck with these. I usually don't. I'm looking at you, Spot Family. I'm looking at you, Spot Family. And then all of these, the main ones I want is the nerd one. Well, yeah, the nerd one, the rockstar one. I even take the wizard one. I'm hoping I don't get two of the same ones. If I do, somebody finna get one of these for Christmas. No cap. Y'all finna get one for these for Christmas. Merry Christmas to whoever getting these for Christmas. So let's go ahead and open the bag clips up first. Let's go ahead and open up the bag clips. Ooh, 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 ooh. Damn. Okay, there we go. All right. First one up is is that the Viking one? What is this one? The Viking one. I got the Viking Deadpool. All right. Look at that. That is so dope. That's kind of clean right there. Okay. Next one, the one I let the sticker off so y'all can see how much I paid for it. Okay. It might be. I think this is the same one. Ah, nah. It's the disco one, y'all. Yeah, the disco one. So I got the disco one and the Viking one. All right. Two good ones. Two good ones. Now let's open the big boy one. Let's open the big boy one. Let's go ahead and open this big boy one. Make sure y'all like this video. And which one y'all will want if y'all will got it. Y'all ain't got to tell me, but I feel like it's a specific one y'all want if y'all got these boxes. How the hell you open this? Oh, I got it. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it open. Now, I'ma close my eyes. I'ma let you see. It's on the stand. I'ma reveal it to you guys. 3, 2, 1. I got the secret agent one, baby. Hey, but these suits match though. That is so clear. I wish this one just could stand up so they'd be like, boom, look at that, back to back, boom, 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 So yeah, I'm kind of glad with this. I'm so happy. That's the end of this video. I'll see y'all guys next time.